Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with a true makeup tutorial. You guys, I have actually fallen in love with creating a little bit more cut crease, festive, edgier looks by you guys' request. I posted this photo a few days ago and asked would you guys like to see a full 20-minute tutorial, or would you want to see maybe like a 5-minute inspo, and the overwhelming response was about 50-50. I'm trying natural light in my studio. Comment down below if you like this lighting better. I'm trying to give you guys more realness so you can see the pigmentation that comes from palettes such as this. Big round of applause for Alyssa and Anastasia Beverly Hills for collaborating and creating this beautiful palette. Obviously, the colors that you see on my eyes, I tried really hard not to incorporate any other palettes because I think this one is so beautiful. I'm absolutely obsessed with that. What are you guys thinking of this lip? This is obviously from my LipTricks collection. You can go to LipTricks.com, purchase your very own. This is the combination of Ombre and Jet Setter. Ombre being this beautiful mauve pink that matches my shirt, and then Jet Setter obviously is going to give you this beautiful tangerine splash of brightness to complete the look. It's real tough trying to create a cut crease in front of a camera, you guys. So give your girls 2 thumbs up. Comment down below if there are any other videos of this that you would like to see. And without further ado, if you want to see how I create this beautiful summer inspired look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started. First, we're going to start by priming our eyelid and our eyebrow. Yes, you saw that I'm using the Bennye Neutral Set powder. This is going to allow any product that you use on your face to settle down. You're going to see me use this product a lot in the video, especially right here when I am starting my eyebrow. Of course, I grabbed my Stilazzi borderline gel liner in the shade Smoky Quartz, but recently I have had my hair colored. It's more of a ginger shade, so I'm going to shift into the new eyeshadow palette by Stilazzi in collaboration with Jordan Liberty. It is called Darkroom. There it is right there, and I'm using the shade called Alyssa. Absolutely amazing. It gives me a beautiful ombre effect to my eyebrow. I'm still going to have a lot of depth like my roots, but at the same time it is going to come off a little bit more brown. There you go, spectacular. We're going to keep on moving. Next, I'm going to grab the more mega concealer. This is in the shade 5. It's the nutty shade. I love this concealer. I really do like to use it to what I call shape out or carve out the underneath portion of my eyebrow. And then you just need to grab a very dense brush to blend that concealer into the powder, because it's just going to make sure that brow doesn't slip at any point, because this eyeshadow look is about to be fire. Why? Because I am grabbing the Louise eyeshadow base primer, and I'm really going to white out my eyelid. I've been playing a lot with the palette that you're going to see in just a bit this week. It has stained my eyelid, so I basically want to cancel out any pigmentation that's going to arrive in that eyelid. Blend it out really nicely. Again, I'm going to set that with the neutral set again, and this is going to help a lot with the pigmentation pop that you're going to get with the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to show you in just a bit. You want to blend that down, because this palette by Alyssa and Anastasia, you want all of this lushness of color to land on your lid. Trust me, I've recorded this video 3 times prior to get this much pigmentation. That's what I was missing. Take it from me. If you want your eye to show any type of reflection of these colors, you need to use that shadow base, and you need to settle it down. Trust me. So of course, I'm already into the blends of adding these pops of color. The shade that you're seeing right now is Texas Made. And then I'm going to go into Dream It. Dream It was one of those shades that you'll see that it's going really patchy. And I actually almost cut this part of the video out, but you know, you just kind of have to work with shadows like this, because some people are able to make them blend down a little bit better. I was unable to get it to do anything more than what you're seeing on this eye. However, on my opposite eye, I did figure out a way to not allow that shade to be as patchy and to make it vibrant. I did have to change brushes. I had to pack it on. So that's just a technique that I want to share with you instead of cutting it out of the video. I'm hoping you guys can appreciate that. Here's another thing. When I'm doing the eyeshadow base, it is best that you add the product in stages using a flat brush. You can actually get your line really clean, as well as you can add a lot of product on, of course, because remember now it's going over several layers of eyeshadow eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base, and powder. So you're going to have to make sure you have a good amount of product just to really cut that crease. It is a gradual step. Right now I'm speeding it up, and trust me, this look, it took a minute, and as I analyze it right now, I know at this point I can do it probably 10 times better and just expand the lid. But just for the sake of this video, I'm just giving you the pointers that I learned when using this palette. Now, this is one of the colors also, Brick Road. Beautiful, beautiful yellow shade. But if you lay the eyeshadow base down and don't settle it with powder, it goes very, very patchy as well. And you're going to see it a little bit right now with the Texas Made. Certain places it goes a little bit, it gets a little scary before I get out of there. But again, after I played with the palette a good amount of times, I did learn to work with it a little bit better. And sometimes that just comes with, you know, doing a look that you're uncomfortable with, just hanging in there, just keep at it. There were a lot of makeup removing wipes, a lot of stained eyelids, a lot of eye agitation from playing with this palette. Not because the formulation was bad, it's just you have to get used to how to play with multiple colors, and obviously in a smaller space. Clean it up, get out of there, revisit it, you know, go back, take it off, start over, play with it on your hand, do whatever you need to do. But what I'm definitely going to suggest is that you practice with the palette. Don't assume that you're going to be able to go in and work with the palette all at one time. It's just not one of those things to do. Now you're going to see me actually work with the gel liner by Stilazzi. This is the borderline gel liner in the shade Jet, and I really want to use a very, very tight line. Obviously I could not find my eyelining brush that I absolutely love. It's a Stilazzi brush. It runs about $4. I've misplaced it, probably on vacation, and so me to get my line as tight, I actually had to kind of trace the line out, go back, add my lashes after I did the mascara. This is the Essence mascara. It's one of my new favorite mascara. I think it's like $5 at Ulta. But after I get my lashes on, then I'll come back in and fix that line. So those of you that are OCD, don't worry, we're going to fix that line. I am grabbing some of my favorite products by Stila just to kind of create a little bit more emphasis on that cut crease. Some people use this to clean up the cut crease. Some people actually use it to create the cut crease. Love this product. It's like a liquid eyeshadow. I love it. And you'll see I just kind of tugged on my eye just a little bit just to kind of clean that line up. Now let's go ahead and move into skin, okay? Because sometimes, like I said, I like to work on skin and then come back and analyze the eye look, and then I can get a better grasp on what I need to do next. And yes, I am literally setting my entire face with this Bennye powder on top of my moisturizer. This, you guys, is almost like making your own primer. It's a new technique that's running across YouTube. I've had some pro makeup artists endorse it, and here we go. We're using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. Oh my God, the coverage of this foundation is, I mean, shall I say that it has probably replaced my Stay Matte foundation by Maybelline. I am obsessed with it now. Don't get worried, the light is changing. I'm using natural light, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, but you saw how much coverage that application of foundation gave me. Excuse me, honey, if I do say so myself, flawless coverage. But I am going to jump back into my Infallible foundation in the shade 515, and I'm just going to do a soft bronzy contour on my cheeks. I'm going to set it with my finishing powder by Cozzette in G7. The product is a little bit warmer, but it gives a beautiful soft contour effect. And of course, no highlight is like any highlight like the Stilazzi highlight, and this is the Stilazzi palette in Barbados. I am obsessed. We're going to go ahead and set my face with another shade by Cozzette. So all the products will be linked in the description box, you guys. I am going to spray my face, and that way all of the powder that's been used in this video, nothing's been harmed. The fluidness is going to still be there. Okay, let's go back into the eyes now. So of course, after I've completed complexion, I'm not worrying about any fallout. I'm going to go with creams from this point out. So I use the Jet. I also use the Emerald Green. These are gel liners by Stilazzi, and can I tell you, OMG, if you don't have them in your collection, girl, why are you even watching my channel? I mean, because it is a thing. Of course, this lip is from my LipTricks collection. It's called Ombre. I am going to top it with my glitter topper in this shade Jet Setter, which I conveniently cut out in the video. Oh my God, Kiani. But anyway, You love the look, you can go to www.liptricks.com, place your order, get your luscious lip for a hot girl summer. And yeah, I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me 2 thumbs up. Comment down below on what was your favorite portion of the video. Do you like these types of videos? I mean, are you into it? You follow me on Instagram? If not, get to it. Subscribe, comment. You guys know I love you. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, we will talk to you soon. Peace.